In this video, we listed the 5 best cameras for macro photography that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon EOS R5 Camera. The Canon EOS R5 is a high-performance mirrorless camera designed for professional photographers and videographers, offering exceptional image quality and advanced features. It boasts a 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor with backside illumination for outstanding low-light performance, clarity, and detail. Powered by the Digic X image processor, it supports an ISO range of 100 to 51200, expandable to 102400, and delivers high-speed continuous shooting at up to 12 frames per second with a mechanical shutter and 20 frames per second with an electronic shutter. The camera features dual-pixel CMOS AF with 1053 autofocus points, covering nearly 100% of the frame, along with deep learning-based subject tracking for people, animals, and vehicles. Its innovative Eye Control AF allows users to select focus points by simply looking at them. For videographers, the EOS R5 supports 8K RAW video recording and 4K at up to 120 frames per second with autofocus, making it a stellar choice for high-resolution video capture. Additional highlights include sensor shift image stabilization, multiple aspect ratios, 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, and support for JPEG and RAW file formats. Compatible with Canon RF mount lenses, the EOS R5 is a versatile and powerful tool for creative professionals. Number 2. Nikon Z5 Camera. The Nikon Z series camera is a 24.3 MP full-frame mirrorless camera, designed to be Nikon's most compact and lightweight full-frame interchangeable lens option. It delivers outstanding image quality with sharp details, vibrant colors, and excellent low-light performance. The camera supports 4K, 30p and 1080, 60p video recording, offering crisp, smooth footage with shallow depth of field, along with USB power delivery and HDMI output for added convenience. Its advanced features include eye detection autofocus for tracking people, dogs, and cats, as well as 5-axis in-body image stabilization for steady handheld videos and sharp photos, even at slower shutter speeds. The camera also supports various metering modes, matrix, center-weighted, spot, has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless sharing and remote control via Nikon's SnapBridge app, and supports JPEG, RAW, and MP for file formats. With a maximum focal length of 200mm, sensor shift image stabilization, and an expanded ISO minimum of 50, this camera is a versatile tool for both photography and videography enthusiasts. Number 3. Sony a7 III. This Sony a7 III features an advanced 24.2 MP back-illuminated full-frame XMOR CMOS image sensor with a 1.8x readout speed, delivering exceptional image quality with a 15-stop dynamic range and support for 14-bit uncompressed RAW. It offers an expanded ISO range of 50 to 204,800, making it versatile for various lighting conditions. The camera supports up to 10 frames per second shooting with silent or mechanical shutter options, complete with AF tracking. Its autofocus system is highly advanced, featuring 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, covering 93% of the image area. The included SEL2870 lens offers a maximum focal length of 70mm, optical zoom of 2x, and a maximum aperture of f/3.5, complemented by optical image stabilization. The package includes essential accessories such as a lens hood, lens caps, rechargeable battery, NP, FZ100, AC adapter, shoulder strap, body cap, accessory shoe cap, eyepiece cup, and a micro USB cable. This camera is compatible with Sony FE mountings and supports RAW file format for professional-grade photography needs. Number 4. Nikon D850FX Camera. This Nikon camera is equipped with a backside illuminated, BSI, full-frame CMOS image sensor, designed without an optical low-pass filter, offering an impressive 45.7 megapixel resolution for extraordinary image quality, dynamic range, and minimal risk of moire. It supports Nikon DX and FX mountings and features a 1.50:1 aspect ratio. The camera provides up to 9 frames per second continuous shooting with full autofocus performance, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. It also supports advanced video recording capabilities, including 4K Ultra HD and slow motion at up to 120 frames per second in 1080p, as well as 8K and 4K time-lapse movies with exceptional sharpness and detail. Additional features include optical image stabilization, a tilting touchscreen, focus shift shooting mode, and excellent battery performance. The camera supports MPEG for file format and has an expanded ISO minimum of 32 for enhanced low-light performance. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, it delivers versatility and outstanding results in both photography and videography. Number 5. SIXTARY 4K Digital Camera. The SIXTARY digital camera for photography is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for both beginners and experienced photographers. Featuring advanced specifications such as 4K video recording and a remarkable 48MP photo resolution, this camera ensures high-quality captures of every moment. Its autofocus system and 16x digital zoom enhance the ease of taking sharp images, while the innovative 3-inch 180-degree flip screen is perfect for selfies and vlogging. Lightweight and compact, the camera includes a removable UV filter lens for added protection, making it ideal for on-the-go photography. The intuitive interface and standalone battery charger facilitate ease of use and extended shooting sessions. With a range of features, including flash, anti-shake, and various shooting modes, this camera is an excellent gift for anyone interested in photography or content creation. Additionally, it comes with reliable customer support and an 18-month replacement warranty, ensuring peace of mind for users.